Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on this rose gold look inspired by these Mickey ears. I love Disney. I love going to Disney, and I've got 6 pairs of these things. I don't know, I'm addicted. I love Disney and they make the cutest Mickey ears. I'm still waiting for a ear set of Ariel, so Disney, if you're watching this, can you please make that? Because I've got a hat and it's hard to wear a hat. It's Florida, it's hot, my head gets hot, I can wear a headband. Anyways, stop rambling, let's go to the tutorial. Rose gold, Mickey inspired makeup look. Let's go. So my face is primed, prepped, ready to go, foundation is on, everything's set, and I'm just going to go in with my Lorac Pro 3 Mega palette, and I love this palette, so I'm going for a kind of warm tone brown, and then I'm going to do the cut crease with the rose gold, and I'm very excited. So first I'm just taking a fluffy brush. This is the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush, and I'm going to apply pink cream, which is a light pink, all over my lid just to kind of create a very even base because I feel like my eyes look really tired, so I want to give them the freshest start possible. And now I'm going to take this pinkish brownish warm shade called Tan, and this is a unlabeled brush, probably from like CVS or Walgreens or something, because that's where I bought a lot of my brushes. Yeah, just apply this above my crease to kind of create a little bit of depth. Going in with Pecan on my Elizabeth Mott blending brush, I'm going to apply this a little bit below where I just put that pinkish color to kind of deepen up my crease. So you guys can definitely see that kind of crease developing. There's definitely a clear difference, so that's kind of where I'm going to be placing the concealer and then the rose gold. But now I'm going in and I'm going to deepen up that crease anymore and create that like thick line that's going to be that super big contrast. I feel like I'm not making any sense, so let's just do it. I'm going to use this violet gray color on a very pointy brush. This is the Sigma Small Tapered Blending Brush E45. I really like this. I'm just taking a little bit on the point and I'm going to draw it right into my crease and then blend it out. And I'm also making sure to blend it into this outer corner here because I want this to be a very soft cut crease, which kind of makes no sense. But I'm going to blend it out here because I want to blend out the outer corner between this violet gray and the rose gold I'm going to use. Now I'm going to move on and conceal and do my cut crease, and for that I'm going to use the Benefit Boi-ing Concealer in 01, and I have an e.l.f. Small Precision brush, and I'm just going to use that to create the crease. And then as you can see, I stopped about 2/3 of the way across, leaving the outer corner so I can blend it nice with the rose gold because, again, soft cut crease, so it's not cut all the way across, just to out here. And then of course for the best part, the rose gold, I'm using the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, and this obviously is in the shade Rose Gold Retro. So I have a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm taking my Coastal Scents BRB SO1 brush, and I'm just going to start putting that into the lid area and then blending it out on the outer corner. And then once it starts to get kind of tacky, I can blend it out on this outer corner the way that I want it, and always I can go back in with that purple and blend it over the glitter once it dries. So now that my lids are drying, I'm going back in with that violet gray, placing it right above again just to kind of deepen the effect of the crease and also blending the outer corner here. And I'm going to go all the way along my lower lash line with this gorgeous shade Dusty Mauve to kind of bring out the pink in the lid. And then I'm just popping on a little bit more of that violet gray right in the outer corner of my lower lash line to connect all of the colors, and then we'll move on to my face. I'm bronzing and contouring today with my Too Faced Pink Leopard Blushing Bronzer because this has got that kind of peachy brownie undertone that I'm using in my eyes. For blush, I'm going to pop on this Dusty Rose Color Icon from the Tarte Color Wheel. And then for highlighter, I'm going in with Too Faced Candlelight Glow and Rosy Glow, and this is actually a Real Techniques setting brush, but I like it because it's really fluffy, kind of distributes the highlighter evenly, and I'm just going to dip more into the pink than in the silver today. I'm also popping a little bit of this under my eyebrows and on the inner corner of my eye. And I'm actually popping on just a bit more blush because I never put on enough blush, and always later I'm like, damn, I should have put on more blush. So I'm putting on more blush. Today I'm going to try out this NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. This is in the shade Black or number 5. I have very dark eyebrows, but I don't have the darkest eyebrows, so I don't know how they're catering to people that have darker skin tones and darker hair colors than I do, because this is not black. This is just dark brown. For mascara, I'm using my current favorite, which is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. I just love this stuff. I got it in my Sephora Playbox last month, a couple months ago. I don't know, but I've been addicted. And then finally, for my lipstick today, I'm going to be using the Stila Cosmetics Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Perla, and it's kind of a pinky nude purpley, so hopefully this looks good. So this is the final rose gold Mickey ears inspired makeup look. I really like the way it turned out, so I hope you guys do too. I think it's fun, I think it's flirty, I think it's perfect for this holiday season because of all of the fun things that you've got coming up. Like, this is a perfect New Year's Eve look. If you guys did like this tutorial, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I've got way too many Mickey ears, so I've definitely got several more of these videos coming at you. So definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Ilea so you can get sneak peeks, close-up photos, and just more pictures of my beautiful face. Hello, who does not want that? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers this year. I'm just really grateful and I'm thankful, and I love every single one of you guys. So thank you so much. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for encouraging me. Thank you for inspiring me. And I hope you have a wonderful day and a very, very happy new year. I'm just sending you guys all the best vibes possible, okay? I'll stop rambling. Have a wonderful everything forever.